Welcome to our channel. I'm so glad you visited today. If you are new to our channel, I want to give you a big welcome, and my name is Teresa. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how we can make a cute, shabby chic rag pumpkin using a Dollar Tree pumpkin. And I'm also going to show y'all and feature a really neat sign that has 6 signs. It's one sign, but you get 6 inserts, so it's an interchangeable feature. So I love this and I want to share it with y'all, and I'm also going to be offering a giveaway later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't joined my Facebook Home Decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. Okay, for our project today, we're going to make a rag pumpkin. And first of all, I started out with the infamous Dollar Tree orange carvable pumpkin. And I'm going to repurpose a pumpkin that I already have, that I've already used in previous projects. So mine's going to be painted and it's going to not have the stem, and I've hollowed it out. So I'm going to take some strips of scrap fabric, and you're going to want to cut your strips probably a 1/2 inch to 1 inch wide, just depending on, how you want your strips, and then about 4 to 6 inches long. I'd rather work with longer strips of fabric so it's easier for me to tie and glue on, and then I like to just trim it up afterward. So you're just going to tie a knot in the center, and then you're just going to take your hot glue and start gluing your sections on. Now you can use any pattern you want to. You can do a solid color pumpkin, or you can vary the colors like I did. I went with gray, I went with the drop cloth color, and then also I had a piece of white fabric. And the gray that I'm using come from a really thin bed sheet, and this did really well. So if you've got some old sheets, rip those up, and they make great fabric to make these rag projects. So here I'm just doing a section of gray, then I'm going to start with a section of the painter's drop cloth, and then you're going to see I'm going to do a section of white, and then I just kind of go around the pumpkin and I alternate my colors. So, but like I say, I think an orange and maybe a drop cloth one would look really good. You could do buffalo plaid. I mean, it is limitless of the colors that you can make these pumpkins out of. So you just go around your pumpkin and you just keep gluing on your little knotted pieces of fabric. And once you get them all glued on and you get your pumpkin filled up, then we'll go around and we'll give it a good haircut and we'll shape it into a pumpkin. Now you've got your pumpkin trimmed up. Now if you want to make a cap for it, I just took some of the remaining fabric. I took the drop cloth, I took the piece of the sheet, and the white fabric, and I just took pieces of things around my home. I took items that were circular. I used a bowl, and then I had those little wood cutouts and a coaster, and you just want to stagger the sizes. And I'm going to pull out the 3 colors of the fabrics that I use. So I'm going to go with the white, the gray, and the tan from the drop cloth. And then after I cut out my circles, then I'm just going to frame around the ends, and then you want to fold it in half and put a slit in the middle so it will fit over your pumpkin stem. Now you can use anything you want for a pumpkin stem. I'm just using a stick from my yard. You can also paint your stick. You could use the original stem that came with the Dollar Tree pumpkin. So I'm just trying to give you ideas here and inspiration of things that you can do. And then I just added a lace bow. enjoying the video so far. I just wanted to pop on real quick and go over something with you. I'm going to be offering a giveaway, and it's going to run through October the 1st. And basically what you can enter to win is going to be this stencil pack, and also this wall decor that I'm about to show y'all. If you stay tuned for the rest of the video, I'm going to show y'all what's in this box. But the couple, or the owners of this company, they sent me some free product, y'all, just out of the blue, because I've used their product in several of my videos, and I highly recommend them to y'all. And I just, you know, I love using these stencils. They're very easy to use, and they're a great value for the money. But like I've told y'all, you get a couple for each season. You get this one where you can make a welcome sign, and also it's got 24 shapes in it. So this is a good value for the money. And I've told y'all before in my previous video when I've showed y'all these, they send little handwritten thank you cards. And y'all, I just think that just goes, you know, way beyond for customer service. So anyway, they were sweet, and just out of the blue one day, I got a package, and it was some free product of theirs. So I thought that was so nice. So I want to share it with y'all. So to enter the contest to win the stencil pack and the wall decor set, just like this video if you like it. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and also down below in the comments, just give me a comment, and you know, if you're commenting or you want to be interested for the giveaway, and you know, in all caps, just say stencil in your comment, and I'll know to put your name in for the drawing. And I'll announce the drawing in an upcoming video, but like I say, it'll run through October the 1st. So y'all stay tuned, because I'm about to show y'all what's in this box, and I'm going to show y'all ways that you can use it and you can stage it in your home. So I hope y'all are enjoying the video so far, and let's get back on to the projects, y'all. Thanks for watching. I also want to mention something else that's great about this sign is you're getting 6 signs in one, and you can also store all the signs in the frame. You can just put the one that you currently want to use in front. So for storage, this is great. You have one sign which you get to use 6 different ways. So you've only got to store one thing. So if you have little storage like I do, this little sign is perfect. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. We'd really appreciate it. hope y'all enjoyed the rag pumpkin, and also all the rules for the giveaway will be down in the description box. And as always, y'all, I really appreciate y'all for watching, and until then, I'll see y'all in the next video, and I hope y'all have a great weekend.